Unim say your brain, you know, by nipa bebre ba ako na omo use. A lot of people don't know we have the second brain. Oba nipa duam ha you the central nervous system, the peripheral nervous system, and the enteric nervous system. And then komo na mebedi. Nkofo bebre nim omo second brain. Nti nuane bia na omo di keke. It means say wo second brain. Me pacho mood regulation, o second brain na ye. Nti nipa bebre anxiety ache omo, depression ache omo, adesa omo ntumi na. Regulated by the enteric nervous system, but nobody is talking about it. Like video na share mo bi na your body conferences. Mean blow your mind. You can say your enteric nervous system the gut. Your gut na friend the enteric nervous system. Gut na include from your num haya, humana science, say baby see rectum your toe. Into your friend no the alimentary canal. Na sa baby, the intermeka say or your brain ye. Over your central nervous system comprising the brain and the spinal cord. Neurons are away your spinal cord. Ne do nduru the away your gut. We have over 100 million neurons present in our gut. Oba ne hormone CM producing hormone yet me produces serotonin in our gut. Approximately 90% of the serotonin your body needs is produced in the gut. Enti sa obetuma calm it down. Sa ade sa obetumi ada. Ne nyina is produced in the gut. Enti you nuane bia ye di yetimi dey say sa ade in the end of the video I will teach you all those foods. No one nuane also woody. Nini any kwan pose woody. Obi wo ho a se bi omo fa haban ye Friday bi dopamine. Hormone. Dopamine be produced in the enteric nervous system. Enti yebet my friend say or a small brain. Me pa cho GABA, gamma aminobutyric acid. GABA is the main inhibitory hormone for our body. It is produced in the gut or in the enteric nervous system. Me pa cho enteric nervous system we and the word direct communication to our brain. Ono woni e brain ni di nkoma a oka 90 na brain aka 10. Enti di ono woka na brain ni di ye adwuma. Nso obi anka na asem. Man ye okoye galamsey ya ye chi ni ya omudi tuosi ni so papa bi san say unim say ya che ode. Moti answer o man ye no. O se mi ni say ya che mi say tuo gyina mi so ma nimpa agumeto. Enti o enteric nervous system na say o gut no or emotional when it comes to issue even than your brain. Assemble or respond quicker than your brain. Obeko toilet. Yen kan say me to my toilet ni what one say that. Me ba cho what na come mama ayu ayo. The even ayo. So nam sunyan kwan so. Na you na yem. Communication, emotion, and all communicate the enteric nervous system. Man fa ni agro. Me pa cho ono or autonomous. Ya ka so autonomous ultimate taking his own decision without even consulting the brain. Na the entire nyame is so genius. But you ade bi senka enteric nervous system bibia na obe consult your brain a nka se bi obi a ne brain ho atechema nka na dua ne die be yeden the ghrelin hormone a be ma command body ni ase bi na adwen nye se obe kwa stress adwen adi is produced in the enteric nervous system. So genius of God. It is why adwen your problem crampo na you still need food to survive. The kombegu so asan ade enteric nervous system yen kan ho asem na ye ne basa mai mo twi nrogu mo yem na mo destroy no bebre dandruff we treat because the enteric nervous system there's a word in our enteric nervous system. We as fufuro our enteric nervous system. The part of say we as the friend the gut microbiome. Eho nipa omoto me fan say nka wa be we as you say 9 billion. We as nyina 9 billion. Nti you cry say you explore universe, you explore the galaxies. Na anu nkrofo e call top ko hwe moon. Ye won nkrofo mo we mu a bacteria mo living organism omo ye over 1 trillion. But obi nim 1 trillion. Say nipa nyina ye 9 billion we ase a ye nyanduru 10 billion, ye nyanduru 100 billion, ye nyanduru 500 billion. Na yakọ 1 trillion. Microbe world omo we nipa duam ebro 1 trillion. And we are their world. It is all will be 1,005 na ukoku ho na we nim your body conferences and I won't follow your body conferences. Na me nyam bie wa adwemu nduru level also me bie duru. Because we are supernatural human being. Nyame abo different and special. Into enteric nervous system no so wo bo ho ban a wo betime regulate your mood. So that make us say ebi mu adesan ontumi na mood regulation no betime regulate anxiety chiwa because the hormones that is produced there dopamine they produce there. Dopamine na ma ya nije. Nti obi akofa ganja, obi akotwe cocaine, the all hwe nyina so person high. You can obi high and the dopamine level akosoro. Ekosoro is GABA, gamma aminobutyric acid, the main inhibitory hormone. Oba na we regulate na we stable no wan kobodam. Ni nyina ya gut. Ye wo nuani bia eboa ye gut functioning. Enuane a ɛyɛ fermented, your gut no pepa microbes no ɛboa ma ɔmo functioning ɛyɛ proper. Fermented enuane bi yɛ kenke. Mepacho enkuruma, aduane a fiber wom tete enkuruma. Enkuruma is very good for our gut health. Into the enkuruma twetwa bi say na de go save am de nsuo bo ho na de kyeso na wonom. Ana de enkuruma kra enkuruma nkwan ma mfa ngo bebre ngu so. Ne o ma say enkuruma nkwan no. Oye okro stiwa na anwa gu na yakasa o yisikani ngo gu so twafo da abi. Okọ no of say yesi di enkuruma no. Ehwehwe enkuruma na ya ne green no. That is a real enkuruma. Ebe boa o enteric nervous system. Ebe boa no a improve no. Mepacho aduane ti say yogurt. The natural fermented yogurt no nya de kala ne sugar bebre agum no eno sitimi boa ye world no microbe world no aduane a ye gut no empe eye aduane a yache red meat on time pe aduane a yache ye de anwo ache on time pe aduane a junk food on time pe on pe fast foods me pacho on pe carbonated drinks ni nyina say that world no ye nua ma ya mu infection bebe infection chewa unkoye proper test na wa wo twe wonuro self medication na wo no you are destroying the world over there. Bebre dandruff about because that world is destroyed. Because our world na no they keep in check the normal flora bacteria away any pedrium. Zuko etiasia the other dandruff ba no your friend Malvasia globosa and Malvasia fefe obi wo ho all checking from the inside. When you consume these antibiotics and all that, now kill that place and now say the gut microbe world now. Bones and not much as a dominate what you say, and then a friend dandruff. Me patcho, my attention causes say ube keep or gut healthy. And no video I may far fibroid home. Me born a tough answer was a bibido ni abroad for drew be anywhere it's me and none fibroid. I was emphatic about say a melty fibroid. Because the fibroid, you bit my na shrink kakra, ye int me my name melty. Baby auntie mas maba comment section and I mean na bia maduro mane koy de me ka kira oni say me akra me kan video ni say obi twa bra it mean na fibroid sha access shrink because estrogen ni progesterone do do aba form when utwa bra enti obi mo bibiduro ma fibroid shrink a me pa acho udi agro be twa obra o twa obra directly the estrogen and the progesterone level goes down na fibroid na sha access shrink me pa acho e bia so na wo ba nwie ni yakotwa obra ya boy dey confirm me video e ya na message nti ma metwe woni me magigi achinje tie ni yie me pese mama video ya wa nti wa wonhwe sa video no kwohwe na emwa o media na ye boaji kum Francis me patcho shampoo na e de wash it no collagen set ni bi wo e wo shampoo e wo conditioner e wo oil e wo mask beto bi 350 cedis na fa hye wo kam anafa gu bag wo kwa wash wo ti natural hair for no wo use wo permit so betima use I mean chemicals e wo e less e be boa wa nkasa. If I Ghana have me about medical scientist, me a self-taught trichologist. Into more to hair growth products. More person will grow my beard. More to barber shop near saloon near mema more restore. Accra ni Kumasi. Me na meton sa ni na. Me say nationwide delivery. Into what tamelena pe bia me na me be bro. Me nya za o madwumam. Wa o kwan wa won san kan da na. O kwan wa sa da na won sa be kan ni ma. Share video no mo bi na mo no. God bless you.